Today we're going to be learning about multiplication of mixed numbers. So when you have a mixed number, the first step is that you want to change the mixed number into an improper fraction. So for example, 1 and 1/2 would then become 3 over 2. I'll explain how to do this in a little bit. So after changing 3 and 1/4 to a improper fraction, then you can multiply these two fractions together. So whatever this value is, let's just say x. And then after simplifying, you have your final answer. And sometimes you won't need to simplify. So let's jump straight in. So first we have 1 and 1/2. So to change this into an improper fraction, we want to rewrite 1 in terms of being out of 2 because our fraction is 1/2. So we know 1 is the same as 2 over 2. And so if we add this with 1/2, then we get 3 over 2. So our first improper fraction is going to be 3 over 2. 1 and 1/2 is equivalent to 3 over 2. This is equal to 1, and this is equal to the 1/2. So we have 3 over 2, and we're going to multiply this with whatever 3 and 1/4 is. So in order to change 3 into an improper fraction, we want to first rewrite 3 in terms of being out of 4. So 3 is the same as 1 plus 1 plus 1. And we could rewrite 1 as 4 over 4 because it's out of 1/4. So we want to make sure the denominator is 4. So 1 equals 4 over 4. And you can just do 4 over 4 3 times. And we know that this answer is going to be 12 over 4 because we add the numerators. So this is equal to 3. And we can proof check this because we know 12 divided by 4 is 3. Okay, so we can rewrite 3 as 12 over 4. And if you add 1/4 to it, then that would be 13 over 4. So here we have 13 over 4, as I just said. And then now we finish the first step, change to an improper fraction. And now we want to multiply across. So this would be 3 times 13, which is 39. And 2 times 4 is 8. So 39 over 8. And this is its simplest form, so we don't have to simplify. So let's try the next problem now. So here's a shortcut for changing the mixed numbers into improper fractions. We can simply multiply this constant with the denominator. So 3 times 4, and that would be 12. So we have 12, and it's going to be out of 4. Again, 12 divided by 4, we know is 3. So it works. 3 is equal to 12 over 4. And then if we add 3 over 4 to that, we get 15 over 4. And let's multiply this with, let's try it again. 2 times 3 is 6, and it's going to be out of 3. So then that's 6 over 3. And then let's add 2 over 3 to it. So 2 over 3. And we'll get 8 over 3. 8 over 3. 15 times 8 is equal to 120. And 4 times 3 is equal to 12. And 120 divided by 12, and this is going to be 10. Let's try the last problem here. We have negative 14, and we know negative 14 can be written as negative 14 over 1. So that's our fraction there. And we can use the same rule for 5 and 3/7. So if we multiply 5 and 7, then we can easily rewrite 5 as an improper fraction. 5 is equal to, 5 times 7 is 35, and it's out of 7. And 35 divided by 7 is 5, so this makes perfect sense. So now we want to add on the 3/7 to it, and we would get that 5 and 3/7 is equal to 38 over 7. So now let's multiply 38 over 7 times negative 14 over 1. And so we'd get negative 532 over 7. And this is equal to negative 76. So that's our answer.